Hey, good morning. I'm Sara Fischer with Axios. I wanted to talk to you about some of the stuff I'm seeing on the ground now that I'm here at Cannes. I'm coming to you from the Speakers Lounge, sponsored by Stagwell. The chairman and CEO of Stagwell, Mark Penn, once told me something that I'll never forget, which is when it comes to marketing, it's all about how you make people feel. And here on the ground in Cannes, there's a lot of talk about feeling. People are really exhausted after 2 years of the pandemic. And one of the points of that exhaustion is digital transformation. While it's been hugely transformative for our businesses, it's required a lot of change within companies, including ad agencies, of course. Making sure that you're equipped with the right people to be handling digital transformation globally across all mediums is a huge challenge agencies like Stagwell are working to address. Some of the conversations I'm hearing on the ground are what this means for employee morale within this space. Advertising and marketing has long been one of the most gruesome and tiring industries, even though we love it, because it does require a lot of digital transformation at a high speed. And so some of the things that we're talking about here, how do we keep employee morale high? How do we create sustainable workforces? And how do we create situations where people can speak to societal issues, not just through their marketing, but also internally through their culture? Catch us throughout the rest of the week, here live at the Cannes Speaker Lounge.